Hey guys, it's Canadian Pyro. So today I've got another unboxing for you. This one's from Rocket Fireworks. This was $150, and when you spend $150 online, you get free shipping and you also get a free firework. So I believe that was a Roman candle I got. But yeah, let's cut into it and see what I got. Just a safety instruction sheet and some cardboard as filler. Oh, that's cool. So I bought a $40 Happy Diwali special. So this should have all the fireworks that came in that set. Oh, looks like one of the sticks broke off. But yeah, so we actually get a pretty good assortment in here for $40. Nice big pack of sparklers. Got 4 rocket fountains, a little squished, but I'm sure they're fine. I believe we get 6 of these sunflower spinners. Got 2 big silver fountains. And you were supposed to get some smaller fountains. I didn't get those, but I got these instead. So I haven't seen these. Red and green fountain. 2 of those. Oh, 4. So 4 red and green fountains. By Moment Distribution. And we got 2 snowstorms. These are pretty nice fountains as well. Okay. So they had these on special, buy one, get one free. So I got 2 of these 70-shot Rainbow Comets. They're not very high, but they're pretty fun little effects. I think it was $15 for both of them, so not bad. So I got 2 of these. So another 60-shot Barrage Latin Beat. These are also buy one, get one free. I think it was $24 for the 2 of these. So it's just a small fountain, another small fountain. Got a little triple pack of fountain. These are called flower pots. I really enjoy these dancing butterfly fountains, so got a couple packs of them. It was like $10 for all 3 of these. And so this is, it looks like a fountain, but it's actually, I think, a 35 shot. Yeah, barrage of 35 shots, red, green, yellow, and crackling stars. Then there are chrysanthemums on there. So a lot smaller than I was expecting, but those were also, maybe they were 50% off or something. I think $12 or something for both of them. We got a super noise kit by Moment Distribution. So we got 4 different single shots, probably all a salute. This was the free firework I got. So a 5-shot Roman candle. It's a pretty big Roman candle. I think these are $7 on sale on their site. And then I got a pack of 2. So these are buy one, get one free. And these are same candles, just slightly different effects. And last but not least, they had Contra cake. So this is a new cake I haven't seen before. It's only 12 shots, a little smaller, but these were 50% off. Okay guys, so that's everything all laid out for you. Not a bad haul for $150, I don't think. But yeah, we'll see you next one. Thanks for watching.